sa lahat po ng ating mga guro. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Alam niyo po, kanina nahuli po ako dahil nahuli po ako dumating po dito dahil kinemahan po namin yung mga papeles na mag-uumpisa po sa pagbibili ng lupa na katabi po ng ating high school. Sorry na lang sa mga bagong graduates dahil hindi na nila makikita yun. Pero meron yung mga kapatid, mga pinsan, mga kamag-anak, sila naman ang mag-enjoy ng bagong building. At dito po, kung lalabas po kayo, yung may bakanteng lupa po dito sa may right side, dyan naman po itatayo yung bagong emergency hospital po natin at yung dialysis center po natin. May photo na, fully funded na po yun. Hindi po drawing yun dahil talagang pinondohan na po natin yung taon na ito. At alam ko, yung mga proyekto na yun ay sa tingin po namin, hindi naman po barangay Dalandanan lang ang makikinabang. Buong Valenzuela po, lalong-lalo na ang unang distrito po ang makikinabang doon sa mga proyekto yun. Kayo po ay nakasubaybay sa ating mga estudyante. Itong kasyon po ay napakahalaga sa bawat isa. Kinabukasan po ng ating lungsod, ang kinabukasan po ng ating bansa ay nasa mga kamay ng ating mga bagong graduates. Kami naman po ay nandito para ihanda at ibigay po ang magandang edukasyon sa ating mga graduates. Gusto po namin makita silang matagumpay at maging mga produktibong mamayan, hindi lang po ng Valenzuela, kundi ng ating bansa. Kaya maraming salamat po sa ating magulang at of course sa ating graduates. Congratulations sa inyo lahat.
Ako na makakaupo na ang mga bagong graduates. Congratulations! Bago ko magpatuloy, nais kong batiin ang mga bisita na sa harapan ngayon. Siyempre, ang ating napakaganda at napaka-dedicated na Division Superintendent kay Dr. Mayari. Magandang hapon. Sa ating butihing Mayor, kay Mayor Sherwin. Sa ating butihing Vice Mayor, kay Vice Mayor Eric. At sa isa sa pinaka-malapit na kapitan, sabi ni Mayor Sherwin, ang kapitan ng Barangay Dalandanan, kay Kapitan Ramon Encarnacion. Sa ating butihing punong guro ng Dalandanan National High School, kay Ma'am Carlos. Ma'am, magandang hapon mo sa inyo. Siyempre, nandyan rin yung mga nagsisipagan na mga punong guro mula sa iba't ibang mga paaralan ng unang distrito at ng pangalawang distrito at gayon din ang mga membro ng DepEd family. Nakita ko rin sa entablado ang mga kaibigan natin sa pamahalang lungsod. Siyempre, nandyan kanina nakita ko yun. Nandun si Konsehal Jerry Esclana na Committee Chairman ng Education. At ang isa pang napakasipag na barangay captain na alam ko may mga nag-aaral dito na taga-barangay Limunan, ang ating kaibigan, Kapitan Noel Delesmo. At syempre, ang consultant ni Mayor sa Community Affairs, ang kaibigan din natin na membro ng official family ni Mayor Sherwin, kay Konsehal Marlon Alejandrino. Nakita ko rin sa entablado ang ating incumbent na konsehal, kay Konsehal Kay Pineda at kay Konsehal Cora Cortez. At syempre sa mga iba pang bisita sa entablado, pagpamanhin nyo, baka hindi ko na kayang banggitin ang mga pangalan nyo dahil hindi ko matandaan sa dami. Anyways, congratulations sa mga graduate ngayong hapon.
Part of the parents to see the children watching on the stage and receiving their diploma. But much more happiness is felt to see their child delivering a speech, being the top student of the graduating class. Now, let us listen to Avian Arcasena's class valedictorian for his valedictory address. Then the school's division superintendent, Dr. Flor de Lisa Armayari, the division supervisor, or the division education supervisor, Mrs. Rosalie R. Carlos, our beloved principal, Mrs. Amelita S. P. Madura, principal of our National High School, hardworking and competent teachers, and dearly loved parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. After 4 years of hard work, at last, we finally finished the race. We are the root the fruits of our incessant toil, which makes our life more meaningful and more prepared in facing academic struggle. What will happen next? Those who have in life will surely visit to college, and those who don't have will probably stop. Look forward and find ways to support their financial needs. This is not the end of your dreams, because after all, poverty is not a hindrance for success. But this will serve as a challenge to all of us to look for possible avenues in obtaining education. For according to Dr. Jose Rizal, education is prerequisite for independence. Let me share with you Thomas Edison's philosophy. He once said that if you are able to see further, that is because you stood in the shoulder of a giant. This is so true, and I appreciate all of the giants in my life whose love, trust, and guidance have helped me achieve a status which I can call my very own. To our dear teachers, grateful hearts beat of you. Thank you for your boundless dedication and commitment in leading us to the right direction. Feeding our minds through your unselfish devotion and instilling the purpose of knowledge, skills, and attitudes, which formed us to better and productive citizens of the time. All these things will be forever etched in our memories. Thank you for being a second parent. Fellow graduates, please rise. Take the opportunity to give the best love for our teachers. To our teachers, salute you for a job well done.
Ayan na. Yun, nakabad ko rin.
Be seated. Very good.
Nagkamalon.
Dedicate our success today first to our loving parents, for without them, my success, your success, our success will not come to reality. Thank you very much, dear parents, for all your unconditional love, untiring support, and immeasurable guidance. Moreover, if ever we need the most, you are always there for us. We will always remember the voice when you wake up in the morning, the smell of the food you cook every morning. And for us, we will do everything to reach this moment that everyone is dreaming. And for this, we will be eternally grateful. Again, fellow graduates, please rise.